Greetings sports fans, welcome back to another episode of Eddie Vision TV, the channel where we look at sports differently. I'm your host Eddie Gona. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the family. Leon Chippy Bailey, baller, once again scoring against the big mighty Manchester City. Sinking City once more. Another year, another Leon Bailey goal versus Manchester City. What a performance. For me, man of the match in that game. And that goal now brings Leon Bailey to 5 goals, 3 assists in the Premier League this season. Man on fire. Man dominating for City. Importantly though, people, Leon Bailey is the most impactful player off the bench in the Premier League. 2 goals and 2 assists. And a lot of great play. So with that great play, we find that Leon Bailey is now breaking into the first 11 for Aston Villa. Somehow he's getting ahead of Diaby in the pecking order. Finally. And it's all because of his performance in the league. Not getting a lot of playing time, but whenever he touches the pitch, he's creating something. You know, no matter the little bit of time he gets, he's doing something. And as I said before, the most impactful player off the bench in the Premier League, the most impactful sub. But now the sub is getting starts, so you know he's at trouble. For most people, Leon Bailey is going under the radar this season. But guess what? He's averaging the most goal contribution in the Premier League per 90. So 1.35 goal contribution per 90. More than Erling Haaland with 1.34. And obviously, we know that's the case because Leon hasn't played a lot of 90 minutes. But it goes to show how dominant he is coming off the bench and with limited playing time. And it's such an incredible journey to get to the Premier League, Leon Bailey. Brilliant to see him scoring important goals like this one against Manchester City. Now 8 goal contribution, only Ali Watkins have more for Villa with 13. So he's now becoming a top player for Aston Villa this season. The fans now are giving Leon Bailey his credit. So they're finally giving Leon Bailey his roses. And I know the argument will continue. Where is this performance for the Reggae Boyz? It will come, people. It will come. It's good that he's still performing at this high level. So eventually, we will see this Leon Bailey for Jamaica in the future. It's only a matter of time. But boy, is Leon Bailey playing. Again, a dominant performance today. His decision making was excellent. Composure. He's a team player. He's not dribbling and losing the ball. You know, it's all coming together at Aston Villa. And again, it will come together for the Reggae Boyz. So Copa America, look out. Leon Bailey is on the rise. So Leon Bailey chipping along in the Premier League. More goals, more assists. Let's go Chippy. There you have it, fans. Quick look at Leon Bailey's performance versus Manchester City. What do you guys think about Leon Bailey's form in the Premier League? Let me know. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Will he finally bring across that form to the Reggae Boyz? Will we see this in the Nation League and in the Copa America in the summer? Wait and see. But I'm Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching. Always remember, like, share and subscribe.
This is Owen Hill from PFJL, CEO of Professional Football Jamaica Limited, home of the Jamaica Premier League, the Gold Cup, and the El Clasicos. You're watching Eddie Vision. please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. The baddest thing around town.